Hi all, in this video we will see what data preprocessing, which is used in machine learning, is, and we will also implement a technique used in data preprocessing, which is binarization. To begin with, data preprocessing refers to the transformations applied to some random data to convert it into some clean data before feeding it to our algorithm. So if we have some random data, we will first convert it in a clean data set, and then we will feed it in our algorithms. So for example, here I have imported a data which shows the scale of sweetness and the ingredients. This is just a dummy data just for an example. So we have sugar, cashew, apple, banana, papaya, jackfruit, pineapple, pomegranate, and apricot, ranging from 1 to 9. So we will be uh, converting these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 into a binary format, that is zeros and ones. So let's look at the code. So here first we import this library binarizer. Then we create a variable and we store the value of sweetness in an array, which is in the variable call. Call basically refers to column. So then we reshape it to a two-dimensional array. This will give us one-dimensional array, but we need two-dimensional array. So we convert it into two-dimensional array. Then we create an object bin, and we call this function binarizer, and the parameter we pass is threshold equal to 5. Now what this will do is any number that is greater than the threshold will give the value as 1, and all the values less than 5 are equal to 5, and then we say bin.fit transform, and we pass the parameter call, and when we run this we get a two-dimensional array with all the values equal to 5 or less than 5 as 0, and the values greater than 5 as 1. If I set the threshold value to 7, it will give the value as 0. So when I set the threshold value to 7, we get all the values which are equal to 7 or less than 7 as 0, and other values as 1. Here we are converting the data into a two-dimensional array because this function requires a two-dimensional parameter. Hence we converted it into two-dimensional. So this was about binarization in Python. Hope you liked the video. Thank you.